operations and, or, not. These are the Boolean operations ordered by ascending priority. X or Y. If X is true, then X, else Y. X and Y. If X is false, then X, else Y, not X. If X is false, then true, else false. Notes: this is a short circuit operator, so it only evaluates the second argument if the first one is false. This is a short circuit operator, so it only evaluates the second argument if the first one is true. 3. Not has a lower priority than non-Boolean operators. So, not A is equal to B is interpreted as not A is equal to B, and A is equal to not B is a syntax error. Thank you. Let's see the example. So, A is equal to true, B is equal to false, print A is equal to B, print not B, print A or B, print A and B, C is equal to true, print A is A or C, print B, print A and C. A is equal to B, false, not B. B is false, then it will return true. A or B. So A is true, B is false. A or B, then it will return true. A and B. A is true and B is false, then false. A or C, true, then it will return true irrespective of what C is. And A and C, true, it will return true. Let's see the output. Run it. False, true, false, true. Thank you.